Just as I've done my thing before.
Yeah.
You have to look the sensors were on
It's no Popeyes and Blutos.
I don't think anything.
I mean, this is a classic Arrow log flume.
I've heard that one with concrete sidewall. It's usually just like fiberglass.
Yeah.
Whatever the stuff is.
Yeah.
Or like
it's already better than Jetstream.
Timber Mountain. That's a good one. Have you done the one at Silver Dollar? That one kind of sucks.
Yes, American Plunge.
Yeah.
I
thought that one was kind of neat.
I have a POV of that too. I did get soaked on that. I was on the front. I was forced to be on the front. Yeah. It was like there. It was like theming. There was like scenes.
Oh, this one?
No, I don't know about this one. I don't know anything about this one. Probably gonna see Rolo with the T-pose on Stunt Pilot. Tunnel. It's been very relaxing so far.
I'm gonna shoot right here.
But this didn't look like it gave a huge splash, though.
Yeah,
I think I'll be okay. Hope I'll be okay. There we go. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. These guys wussed out.
Oh, like, dude!